Stella, where you going? Hey, Stella. Hi, beautiful. Oh my goodness, you're so soft. Hi, baby. Oh, where you going? Where you going, beautiful? You're so photogenic, aren't ya? So photogenic. Stella. You okay, Stella? Stella. Oh. Where? Oh, there you are. What are you doing? You little munchkin? What are you doing? What are you doing? Now where are you going? Stella. Nope. You just batting me. You're not even using your claws. You're just playing. God, you are so cute. Oh. What are you doing? You're getting yourself all tangled. Oh, kitty down. Whoa! Stella. What are you doing over there? That's where the bugs are. Hi, Stella. Stella. Uh-oh. You getting some kitty action? There's another kitty up there. Nope. Be nice, Sadie. We getting some good vibes? Good vibes? Hi, Stella. Oh, Sadie, be nice. It's okay. Stella's good at standing up for herself. Sadie, come on. Be nice to her. Stop hogging on her. She's new. Oh, kitties. Come on, Sadie. She's just a baby. Sadie. Stella, you're gonna knock that over. Whoop. We can now call her the Ninja Kitty. Because she literally can move at the speed of light. She'll be in one spot one moment, and the next moment she'll be staring at you in a different angle. You. Hey, sweetie. You're... Meow. Hi. What's up? Oh, you're too cute. Oh, it's time to go, huh? Hold on, Stella. Oh, I'm sorry, dear. I don't mean to startle you. It's okay. honey. Honey. Stella. Hey. Oh, honey. All right, all right, all right. Go on. Oh, Stella. What a bozo.